स्मार्ट सिटी खाला येवपी ICCC हो महत्वाचो प्रकल्प जावन आसा। पर्यटनाच्या नदरेंतल्यान ह्या प्रकल्पाचो खूब फायदो जातलो, उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी मामो हागेन सांगले। ह्या प्रकल्पा खाला स्मार्ट पार्किंग, स्मार्ट कॅमेरा, स्मार्ट ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल ह्या गजालींचो आस्पाव आसतलो, अशेंय तिचें म्हणणें।
We have ICCC, that is one of our major project, not a tourism sector, in terms of improving and bettering our city. So it has various components. It has the smart parking component. It has smart cameras for traffic violations. How it is, crowd management, criminal activities on the roads. It has smart traffic signals. It has VMD. It has PAS. So various components in our ICCC project alone. See, we have cameras installed across the city of Panjim under smart city, under a project. How much ever we could plan within the scope of funds and all of that also. If Panjim sets out, becomes an example, it will be a good replicable model for the other cities also. Just Mapsa is also an urban center. It is crowded, there's a market, there's a thriving crowd over there, there are festivals that happen there. It's a very thriving, active city, Mapsa town. So, if Panjim becomes like a replicable model in terms of the smart elements like smart parking, smart cameras, traffic violation apprehended through smart technology, that of course can be replicated. So that is something that we hope to do also, and that is also another theme. One of the deliberations is also about how we will be able to expand the smart cities concept and replicate it to other peri-urban areas also. So that that livability and ease of living, all of that also improves in those areas. So if the delegates have time, we will make that trip. However, I think our conference is quite packed, and there's already a set itinerary by the ministry. So if time permits, we will definitely show them the various components of it, like the VMDs, the PAS, the smart parking, the cameras, the smart traffic signals. All of that are operational. We will have to set a date on formal inauguration and all of that. Yeah. Okay. So it's working. If you see the traffic police and even the transport department or solid waste management, there are staff sitting in the ICCC. Okay. So they use that data. In fact, it has helped us a lot in catching, apprehending criminal activities like theft, robbery, traffic violation.